Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today's a pretty nice day out, so I decided to come out and put some Christmas lights up. Yesterday I went through and strung all the Christmas lights out in my front yard so I could plug them in and see what's working, what's not working. There were quite a few strands that weren't working anymore, so I went down to Lowe's and picked up some new strands and got them all strung up and ready to set up on the house and out in the yard today. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. So as you can see, I have some lights strung out. I have them strung out all over my yard. You can see the white ones a little bit better than you can the green ones. I wanted to get them all strung out in the yard yesterday and get them all untangled so that it would be easy for me to get them set up today. I have this flagpole that I set up. I need to straighten it, but I'm going to be doing the Christmas tree again with the lights this year like I did last year. So I've got that set up. And then I've got these C9 lights. I have 8 strands of these that will go up on the house. And then I've got some icicle lights and then some more C9 lights that'll go up around the circle there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set the camera up and get the lights set up in different places around my yard and on my house. And then tonight when it gets dark, I will show you what everything looks like. Well, I should have known. I need to get out here and clean out my gutters. So I think I'm gonna do that before I get the Christmas lights put up. I think that'll be a whole lot easier. Okay, so to attach these lights, I'm going to be using these plastic clips. If I can get it to focus here. There it goes. I got these at Walmart, and basically you just put the lights in this bottom section right here, and then this section right here just slides up underneath the shingles. I decided to go with these because I didn't really want to nail or staple anything into my roof, so these will just slide out at the end of the season and it makes it a whole lot easier. So it just clips in there like that, and then you slide it up underneath the shingles. Just like that. So I'll just go along the line and do that with each of the bulbs. Okay, so now I have all the lights put up, so I just have to wait for it to get dark out so I can show you what everything looks like. But until that happens, I found something at Home Depot that's really gonna help with these lights. So I wanted to show you that real quick, and then I will show you what the lights look like once I'm able to turn them on. Okay, so this right here is what I found. It's called Defiant. And basically what you do is, it comes with 3 of these boxes, and you plug it into an outlet, and then you plug the extension cord into it. And then it also comes with this remote, and you can turn whatever you have plugged into those extension cords, you can turn them on one at a time. Instead of having to go and plug all the extension cords in, because I have 3 different areas that are plugged in, so instead of having to go every day to plug them in and unplug them, I just have them all hooked to these boxes, and then I just use this remote to turn them on at night, and then to turn them off when I'm ready to. So this has really been helpful this year. I'll put a link down in the description below if anybody wants to check these out. So once it gets dark out, I will be sure to get the camera out and show you what everything looks like. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, here's box 1, box 2, and box 3.